Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Fine. This is the second video of class 9, and in this video we are going to discuss about the ions. The charge species which is actually obtained by gaining or losing of electrons by an atom. That one is known as ions. Okay, so you should know that ions, how the ions will form first of all. As I am talking about the ions, that means definitely it will lose from the outermost electron. Suppose I have written here atom, so that means I have taken lithium. First of all, you should have an idea about the atomic number of lithium, 3. Then after, you can write also the electronic configuration, that one is 2 1 in K cell and L cell 2 1. Then this one electron is actually preventing lithium from getting the stability, from gaining the stability. So what it will do, the extra number of electron which is actually preventing to gain the stability, so what it will do, it will lose this electron. Anyhow it will lose this electron. Okay, then it will go into the helium, nearest noble gas electronic state. So 2, that means 2 is a stable one. This one electron is preventing, it has lose one electron. So losing of electron is actually forming positive charge onto this one, so Li positive would be there. Okay, so that's why it is written the charged species obtained by gaining or losing of electrons by an atom is known as ions. Okay, na? By an atom is known as ions. There are two types of ions, cations and anions. Okay, na? Cations and anions, two types of ions. The positively charged elements, after losing 1 2 3 electrons from the valence shell, that one would be called as cations. Yes, that one will be called as cations. And anions, whenever you are seeing the less number of valence electrons are there, less number of electrons means it will require 1 2 3 electrons to gain the stability. Suppose I have written here chlorine. Chlorine has atomic number 17, and if I write the electronic configuration, this one 2 8 and 7A would be there. Now 7 cannot lose, because for losing 7 electron it requires such a huge amount of energy. So what it will do, it will gain one more electron. From where? From this lithium, from sodium, from potassium. It will lose, it will lose, lithium, sodium, potassium will lose, and this one will gain. So what it is written, 2 8 8, and this one is the nearest noble gas electronic configuration of argon. If it has accepted one electron, then it will form Cl negative. Okay, na? It will form Cl negative. So that is anions. Means on the whole, if we will sum up that whole of the statement, whole of the explanation, then we can say the positively charged elements are known as cations, and the negatively charged elements are known as anions. Okay, na? So you can see this one, how the formation of cations are there and which kind of internal structure it is having. So you can see the formation of cations. It is written, when metal combines with non-metal, then metal give up electrons, and therefore they are called electropositive elements. Let's see what is its mean. Here it is written metal, so I have written M. M is for metal. Now you can take calcium, sodium, lithium, whatever metals you know, you can take. I have taken M is for metal, and here I have taken N is for non-metal. Okay, now then this M is having the extra electron in their valence shell. Every time non-metal will have a deficient valence electron, metal will have extra electron in their valence shell. So what it will do, it will lose its electron. Metal, I am talking about the metal. Metal will lose extra electron to the non-metal, and what it will form? It will form positive charge. If it is losing one positive charge, if it is losing one electron, then one positive charge, two electron, two positive charge, three electrons, three positive charge. Okay now, so it has lose this electron, and which one has gained this one? Non-metal. So if suppose plus one it has lose, metal has lose one electron, so non-metal will gain one electron. Okay now, like this one, M plus N, and when I will write the compound, then I need not to show this positive and negative charge. It is clearly understood, Mn, that means positive one valency would be there and negative one valency would be there, and the compound is Mn. Okay now if any of the metal, suppose M has lost one electron, two electron, or whatever, it has formed one positive charge, and this one is known as electropositive. This one is known as electropositive element, means all the metals are electropositive in nature by losing its respective number of electron from the valence shell. It depends upon the availability. If one electrons are there, then one positive would be there, and if two electrons are there, if two electrons it is losing, that means two positive would be there. Okay, now if I am talking about sodium, for example, sodium, I have taken in one example, so you can see that in the sodium, here I have taken Na 11. Okay now, atomic number is 11. What would be the electronic configuration? 281. Okay now, so you can see this one is actually extra electron, so it will lose its electron to gain the stability. Okay now, so it will form Na positive. Now you can see everything would change. What? Total number of electron will change, total number of proton will be same. Here you can see the statement is there are 11 protons and 11 electrons in sodium atom, but after losing one electron, number of electron will change, and it will have now 10 electrons only. Okay now, but the number of protons should be same, and that one is 11 protons. So whenever you are discussing this kind of question, after losing or after gaining the electron, you can see the number of number of electron will definitely change. Okay now, now the next one is anions. You can see anions are formed when non-metal accept electron to complete their octet. Now it is essential. Here I have written, okay, you can see non-metal. So I have taken chlorine. Chlorine is a non-metal which has atomic number 17, 2, 8, 7. So it requires one more electron to gain the stability. It has required Cl negative. Now you can see total number of protons, total number of electrons will also change. Here 2 plus 8, 10. Earlier it was 7, 17 plus one more electron it has accepted. So total number of electron you can count, and that one would be 18. As it has accepted one electron, so it is called as a electronegative. Okay now, chlorine, and the name will also change, and here you can see chlorine forms chloride ion after gaining the electron. Gaining one electron, it will form the chloride ion. Okay now, you can see here we can observe that the number of electrons in chloride ion increases. I have told you, yes, number of electron will also increase, and that will give you a result of formation of negative charge on chlorine atom. Like this you can do the different types of example also. If I will give you one more example, then take simple oxygen. Oxygen is having atomic number 8. Okay now, so 2,6, it will require 2 more electron to gain the stability. So 2,8, that one is 10, and then after it will carry 2 negatives, so divalent anion it would be. Yeah, we have discussed that one. And then the number of electrons is also changing in this one. Earlier, the number of electron was 8. Number of proton was 8. Number of proton has no effect in this one. But number of electron will change from 8 to 10. 8 to 10. Because you know na, changing in the electron is taking place. Changing in anything is not taking place. Okay na? So that is from our side. Thank you.